This is a video abstract on improvements to PHIP instrumentation using a voltage-controlled current source. Hello, my name is Jose Agraz. I'm a grad student at UCLA at the Bioengineering Department. I'm also a visiting graduate student at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. So what's PHIP? PHIP stands for perihydrogen-induced polarization. And it's a method that artificially and temporarily increases the polarization of a sample, in our case, HEP. The following is a rendering of a PHIP instrument prototype developed in our lab. There are 5 basic components to achieve PHIP polarization. The first is a source of spin, in our case, perihydrogen. The second, nitrogen, to move the sample around the instrument. The third, a reaction chamber where the spin transfer happens. The fourth, a static magnetic field, or B-nut, generated by a solenoid. And the fifth, an RF coil for transmitting sequences. The generation of a stable magnetic field, B-nut, is very important as changes in the field change the resonance frequency. So in order to hyperpolarize using PHIP, the precursor molecule has to have a carbon double bond. This double bond gets weakened by a catalyst, hydrogenated, and the spin transferred from the hydrogens to the carbon. Then we'll have a hyperpolarized HEP. Previous PHIP instruments relied on a power supply or a voltage-controlled voltage source to generate a steady magnetic field. A voltage-controlled voltage source does not regulate current, it regulates voltage. A voltage-controlled current source regulates current. In this work, using transfer functions, we show how an ideal voltage-controlled voltage source is a poor choice for generating a magnetic field. We developed a voltage-controlled current source for our PHIP application and developed a transfer function model for it. We compared an off-the-shelf voltage-controlled voltage source against our voltage-controlled current source design. We showed noise data and long-term drift for each device. Our data shows that the improvements in HEP polarization using a voltage-controlled current source is statistically significant than using a voltage-controlled voltage source.